Today we're diving deep into a common software development misconception, the supposed competition between Scrum and Extreme Programming, or XP. Let's set the record straight. Hello world, I'm Scott Bernstein. The belief that Scrum and XP compete stems from a misunderstanding of their respective roles. Scrum is often seen as a complete methodology, while it actually is a framework focused on project management. XP, on the other hand, is misunderstood as being only for extreme projects, when it's really about sustainable, quality-driven development. Both frameworks arose from the need to address different aspects of software development, management, and engineering. Viewing them as competition is like comparing the roles of a coach and a fitness trainer in sports. Each has a distinctive yet complementary function. Scrum's framework is intentionally not prescriptive. It focuses on team roles, events, and artifacts, leaving space for technical practices. This flexibility allows Scrum to fit into a variety of organizational structures and team dynamics. Scrum provides a structure for managing complex work, but deliberately stays silent on how to execute that work technically. Sprints, sprint planning, daily Scrum set the rhythm for teams, but don't dictate the how of software development. This incompleteness is strategic, as it allows teams to adopt technical practices that suit their specific needs and challenges. Extreme programming is filling the gap. XP comes with a set of practices focusing on technical excellence and software craftsmanship. It emphasizes practices like pair programming and test-driven development, continuous integration, and refactoring. XP practices are designed to improve software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. In XP, the focus is on technical practices and principles such as simplicity, communication, feedback, and courage. XP's strong emphasis on automating testing and refactoring directly supports Scrum's iterative approach to developing software. Integrating Scrum and XP means using Scrum's framework to organize work and XP's practices to execute it. In a Scrum XP blend, sprint planning includes planning for not just features, but also technical tasks like refactoring and writing tests. Sprint reviews become more meaningful as they involve reviewing not just what was done, but also the quality of the work as ensured by XP practices. The retrospective provides an opportunity to inspect and adapt both processes and technical practices aligned with Scrum and XP's principles. Together, Scrum and XP create a more comprehensive approach to Agile development, covering both processes and the technical aspects. This combination leads to a more disciplined approach to Agile, ensuring both effectiveness and team management and high-quality software development. The synergy allows teams to be agile in their process with Scrum and rigorous in their technical execution with XP. It creates a sustainable development environment where quality is built in from the start, rather than being an afterthought. Teams are better equipped to handle changes in requirements while maintaining high standards of quality. For me, this is the perfect marriage of technical practices with iterative development. Consider a sprint where teams commit to not just delivering new features, but also improving code quality through refactoring. Imagine a daily Scrum where team members discuss how pair programming solved a complex problem. Envision a sprint review where stakeholders not only see new features, but also appreciate the improved code quality and reduced technical debt. Picture a retrospective where teams reflect on their use of TDD and how it impacted their sprint outcome. In such an environment, the team continuously learns and improves, both in their workflow and in their technical practices. If this detailed explanation of Scrum and XP is illuminating, then hit the like button and subscribe. Your engagement helps me bring more in-depth content to you. As we've seen, Scrum and XP aren't competitors. They're partners creating a robust, agile approach. By understanding and integrating their strengths, teams can achieve greater efficiency, quality, and adaptability in their software development efforts. Remember, Agile is about finding the right fit for your team. Sometimes that means blending methodologies to get the best results. For a deeper understanding of Agile methodologies and their integration, check out my book, Beyond Legacy Code, available on Amazon. Until next time, stay agile and keep innovating.